Hello there. In today's video, we're going to talk about the fact that Jesse Lingard will stay at Manchester United in January in a bid to force his way into interim boss Ralph Ranieri's team and to perform his performance in Old Trafford before he's going to quit. Jesse Lingard's contract with the Manchester United expires at the end of the season. From January, he is eligible to sign a pre-contract with any club from overseas. A new report has detailed that Lingard will fight for his place at United in January, and he has made just 8 Premier League appearances recently, all as a sub. So Jesse Lingard is ready to stay at Manchester United in January and fight for his place under the boss, till the summer. 29-year-old has found himself as a spare part at Old Trafford. So far in this campaign, he hasn't shown, any excellent moves. This led to calls to move away to Athletic, and Newcastle and to West Ham, where Lingard is literally regarded as a legendary player. It was Lingard's decision to quit United in January in search of regular football. He had rejected an offer of an extension in October, and amid interest from Barcelona, AC Milan on the continent, he was very keen to leave Manchester United. He was very, very keen. And Lingard's desperate attempts to be selected at the Qatar World Cup was the main reason for it, because he was desperate to get selected for the World Cup. And as you know, in the World Cup, players who play regular football are always given priority over a player, who doesn't play regular football. Lingard is desperate to be selected by the England team for 2022 World Cup in Qatar and knows he needs a regular minutes between now and next November to convince the boss Gareth Southgate. But latest report has suggested a shift in mentality under Ranieri, who arrived to replace Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Lingard impressed out on loan at West Ham for the second half of the last season, and there was an expectation he would return to Manchester United with a more prominent role on the horizon. It has not transpired as such, and his only 2 starts so far this season came in the Carabao Cup and the recent Champions League dead rubber against the young boys. So Lingard is able to sign a pre-contract agreement with clubs overseas as early as January 1, but with the reports stating that midfielder is ready for the fight of his life to prove his worth at United, before his contract closes. Though the Ralph Ranieri, we are stacked with attack. We have Ronaldo, we have Sancho, Varane, Greenwood, Fred. So the boss is planning to trim down the squad. Even if we have Ten Hag or somebody like somebody else coming in or Ranieri taking the charge, we need to reduce our manpower. We have excessive number of strikers and attacking players who are of no use to us. Talks over a fresh deal to remain at United right now are ongoing at the start of the year, but those are said to have stopped now, and there are no plans scheduled to address the situation in the near future. But West Ham boss David Moyes was interested in securing a permanent deal for Lingard following his loan, only to be priced out. But recently he addressed the United midfielder's lack of game time and spoke of his disappointment. I can't really talk about him because he's a Manchester United player and it's all for me to talk, Moyes said earlier this month. But he was really good for us. Jesse knows what we all think of him here. My disappointment for Jesse would be I think he's such a talented footballer player and he's not playing. He played a big part in our second half of last season, but you have to give credit to the players here. They moved on without Jesse. People might have thought Jesse made a difference here, but the players have moved on and stepped to another level without Jesse being present. But my heart goes out to Jesse. He has made a big difference. The Manchester United ace Jesse Lingard has reportedly decided to stay and fight for his position right now. This is one of the recent news. We know, we're going to have a lot of transfers. A lot of players are going to leave. That's something that's going to happen. Eventually, we'll have Cavani going away. We'll have Rashford. We'll have Martial going away. We'll have Juan Mata going away. So I think in such a situation, we need a player like Lingard. He's a very good player. Trust me. 29-year-old has just 6 months remaining in his contract deal, returning to Manchester United after starting for West Ham in a 6-month loan spell, where he netted, you saw his game at West Ham, right? He netted 9 goals in 16 games. Despite that form and hopes of cementing a first spot at United this term, Lingard has been left out in the cold for the majority of the season, with reporters earlier in the season suggesting that the Old Trafford hierarchy were open to give Lingard the green light to seek a permanent exit in January, but now it appears that Lingard is set to stay put until the summer and prove his point. With however much game time he has, Lingard has taken up a rock solid decision to prove everybody wrong. Lingard had expected to play a more prominent role at the United this time under Ranieri's predecessor Ole Gunnar Solskjaer after his stunning form at West Ham last year, but failed to materialize after Jadon Sancho and Cristiano Ronaldo came up, surprised the club. And Ronaldo is playing exceptionally well, so is Sancho. However, Lingard is prepared to try and convince Ranieri that he can play a part in his plans rather than seek a move somewhere else after the German took the reins at Old Trafford last month. So Lingard has now taken up a rock solid decision. He also will be able to, have a fight, fight his fight and, go out there and make a big difference. Although Newcastle are keen on Lingard, the report outlines that they've put a move for Lingard on the hold for now. West Ham are also believed to be interested in him, but they cannot simply afford him. Lingard is also free to discuss a pre-contract agreement with teams from overseas in January, because his deal at Old Trafford ends. But his step set up to snub the opportunity to line up a mega deal with foreign team to focus on his football for the second half of the season. The attacker is yet to start a league game this season, although he did start in the Champions League clash with Young Boys under Ranieri earlier this month. His positive attitude is likely to see him given a fighting chance featuring under Ranieri, because Ranieri is a positive person, and it's obvious that we will have a positive outcome where Lingard will see a positive response from Ranieri because of his fighting mentality. The United chief hinted that only players who were committed to the club, serious on training and showed 100% dedication in games would be given chance. There would be no favorites, no young or experienced, there simply will be players. If a player does not want to play for Manchester United in the medium or long term, I think he should come and talk to me and he should leave the club. I don't think it makes sense if I try to change his mind. So I agree totally over here. This is a strong position that we needed far time ahead, that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer never took. If a player does not want to play for Manchester United and in the medium or long term, I don't think it makes sense to convince him to change his mind, said Ranieri earlier this month in the wake of Martial transfer requests. And he was absolutely right. Players who have to want to play for a big club like Manchester United have to give 100% dedication. They have to give a certain dedication. Because if they don't dedicate themselves, in that case, you won't be able to secure a good transfer. Because you have to be dedicated, you have to be dedicated to secure a transfer to Manchester United. You have to be dedicated enough. You have to know your rules. You have to know your goals. If you don't know those, if you're not proud to be a United player, if you're not proud to be a Red Devil, then don't stay. For example, Paul Pogba has been doing something like that, So I really appreciate Jesse Lingard's, philosophy. He said he's gonna give one fighting chance and prove he's a good player before, even if he has to leave the club. He's gonna do that. So tell us how interested you are in this news, and for more news, take care.